ang ating next song. Let's go! Uy! Ay, parang alam ni Queen yan, ah.
Hey, 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 I'm feeling sexy and free. Like lead is raining on me. You're like a shot of pure gold, pure gold. Hiding on bottom explode. Like a destination, like a cloud of smoke in the air. Now I'm breathing like I'm running, cause you're taking me there.
Don't you know?
Don't you know, don't you know? You
Sorry.
spin me out of control. Ooh, 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 ooh. Bin fast. We can do this all night. Love and slap is skin tight. Baby, come on. Bin fast,
pala.
bin fast. Pull me like a bus. I'm sparking up the
Radar.
radar.
Baby, come on. Pag sinasabay ka na, huminto ka.
Baby, come on.
Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya.
Bin fast.
Solo lang niya yung 5 piso sa video.
Go, Queen Jasmine!
Queen Jasmine, let's go!
Ooh, 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 ooh. Rock my world until the sunlight. Down like this into the moonlight.
Oh, thank you, Queen Jasmine. Ang galing mo
Thank you.
talaga. Ang galing mo banda.
Tsaka lahat ng mga sinasalang natin, kabisado niya. Tignan natin kung mahihirapan siya dito sa next song natin.
Oo.
Okay. Ito ang next song natin. Sa Sing Inside the Car.
While raining.
While raining.
In this traffic.
Ang haba ng title. Kaya Queen Jasmine, ising mo na to.
Sure. Let's take our time
Ay mo na,
tonight.
sinabayan na eh.
Girl. There's no place I'd rather be in this world.
Teka lang, Queen Jasmine.
Ah.
Ulitin mo nga yung beatbox mo. Alam mo yung kotse na kapag dumaan sa graba? Go!
Let's take our time tonight. Above us all the stars and watching. There's no place I'd rather play in this world. Your eyes are where I'm lost in. Under the shine of love, without
natin-
and all alone. There's no reason to hide what we're feeling
Tuloy mo lang.
inside
Sige.
right now.
Nahihilo lang kami, Queen. Sige, tuloy mo lang.
Break it down niya.
Yan,
Ah,
okay,
grabe.
tapos na. Okay,
Ah,
ang
taas mo
grabe.
na. Nanonood yung boses na yun. On the bed. May isa pang kanta.
Sure.
May isa pang kanta.
Siguro
On the
tama
bed.
na.
Ito, nakaka-relate ka ba dyan sa Versace on the floor? Kayo ba ni Troy, meron ba kayong favorite song?
Para pag kunyari, ano na, yung naglalabing-labing.
Oo, ganun.
Ano kung tayo ay matanda na?
So, wala kayong pustiso nito.
Saka ba sakit likod? Okay. Ito na, ang last song natin para sa
Sure.
ating Singing Inside the Car while
Well,
raining.
rainy season here in the Philippines.
Yan. Ito, ising mo na to. Ang daming tumatawag pa rin. Talagang mamaya na kayo. Ito na, ising mo na to, Queen Jasmine.
Sure.
Ba't ganito? Teka lang, may namatay.
Ha?
Diba namatay si Paul Walker? Nasa loob na.
Ito na, babangga na tayo!
Ba't ito yung kanta? Pwede, sige, sige na nga.
May
Basta
puno, may puno.
hawakan mo ah.
Sure. It's been a long day without you, and I tell you all about it when I see you again.
Hindi mo
When I
mabayin.
see you again, we've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When tomorrow comes and another day. Sharing. Hey!
May charing pala doon. May charing pala doon sa Fast and the Furious na
Ang
kanta.
galing.
Ang galing. Ang taas ng boses mo, Queen.
Hindi
Parang,
masakto lang.
parang nasa roller coaster ka.
Oo.
Parang yung music video niya. Ganun.
Alam mo yung hindi na, yung hindi hindi bumababa yung tono.
Oo, ang lupit mo.
Nowhere to go but up yung,
Di
yung
pa
tono
sakto
mo.
lang.
Oo. Thank you, Queen Yasmin.
Tono. Binba.
Thank you na. Oo, thank you na. Thank you na, Queen Yasmin.
Catch us every week on YouTube, Spotify, or wherever you listen to podcasts. At syempre, i-follow na rin ang official social media pages sa Facebook, Instagram, at TikTok para lagi kang updated sa masayang biyahe at kulitan sa kalsada.